elderly. So that's done that.
You know, it is one of the interesting things I've done doing some research in Cairo, actually, overlooking Tahrir Square in Ramadan, and walking amongst young people. The army was there, really quite menacing in near the square and so on. There is such bravery there. If they turn on us, we're not afraid. It's quite extraordinary. You know?
Yeah.
Can I mention just something, because we're pretty well on, but there's one